All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is April 1st. April 1st, 2024. My name is John Carrigan. I moderate the BYOB trading room. Let's take a look at some charts. All right, so here's a chart of the SPY. Let's get a cleaner one here. Here's the daily candle for SPY. Now, the yellow line, that's the 3 EMA. The white line, that's the 8 EMA. Okay, so price action, lower high, lower low, closing, well, right inside that bullish trap over a rising 17 EMA. SPY's still bullish, okay, still in an uptrend. SPY still bullish, still in an uptrend. Let's take a look at the next one. QQQ, increasing volatility. This was the inside day. We had a lower low and a higher high, and we closed just over the bullish trap over, well, a rising 17 EMA, still bullish, still in an uptrend. FNGU, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA, still bullish, still in an uptrend. Diamond Dow. Lower high, lower low, closing inside the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA, still in an uptrend. Got a little double top here happening. Still in an uptrend, still bullish. IWM. Got another little double top happening right here. Today's candle, lower high, lower low, closing inside the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. Still in an uptrend, still bullish. So all of the Fab 5 are still bullish. All are still in uptrends. Let's take a look at our technicals, T2122. So we fell out of the overbought zone into the chop zone and then quickly jumped out of the chop zone back inside the buy zone. And we just kind of meandered there all day after hitting the chop zone. T2123, green from the start to the end. NYSE was just green all day. T2123, 3 bar. Okay, Friday we made new all-time highs. Actually, I think that could be today's candle. Yep. All right. New all-time high for T2123 this morning. All right. So just kind of chop and gap up, kind of move over to the right here at the all-time highs. So new all-time high there for T2123. Next one, FNGU. Well, we kind of like rallied up, came right back down underneath this sloping 200, and then just kind of meandered down here, checking the base. And we tried to gradually find our way back up over the rising 200. Couldn't quite, cut the mustard. Couldn't quite close the deal. All right, so you got what you got here is like a head, left shoulder, right shoulder. So they break this neckline here, or this base, they could come tumbling down. Not to say that they will. You may very well see them climb right back up here, testing resistance right about 341.76 sometime tomorrow, because the markets are still bullish. So there's FNGU on the 15th. So green, red, and finish the day green. A little bit stronger than what we started out with. So there's FNGU. Let's head back over. Let's take a look at a few sectors. And let's take a look at USO. All right, it's USO putting in higher low, higher high over a bullish trap over the rising 17. USO is in an uptrend. That's petroleum, crude oil. It's in an uptrend, and it's bullish, USO. Resistance, where would resistance be? Well, I see a little bit of a wick there. Let's see where that wick stops. We got some resistance right about right through there. Actually 80.15. They ran right into it. And I'm looking at this area here and this area here. So there's USO hitting the resistance. Probably good idea. It might pull back the trend. Hopefully it can get up through it and bull flag on top of it. We'll see what happens. UNG in a downtrend, but today's candle a little bit different. Higher low, higher high, closing above the bearish trap over the falling 17 EMA. So we could have a bottom here, maybe a double bottom. We'll see. There's UNG trying to put in the double bottom. All right, let's take a look at silver and gold. Silver had a rocking great start this morning. Okay, so silver, higher low, higher high, closing over a bullish trap, over a rising 17 EMA. Silver is bullish. GLD put a new all-time high in on Friday, and they did it again today. So there's GLD, higher low, higher high, closing over a bullish trap, over a rising 17 EMA. Let's take a look at SMH. So semiconductors kind of bull flagging over here. All right, price action, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the rising 17 EMA. This is bullish. This is still in an uptrend. XLK is our technology sector. Still bullish. Still in an uptrend. Higher low, higher high. Closing over a bullish trap. Well, actually a flat trap. Over a flat 17 EMA on technology. Let's take a look at XLF. All right, XLF. Lower high, lower low, closing inside the bullish trap over the rising 17 EMA. XLF put a new all-time high in on Friday. Let's take a look at XLI. XLI is our industrial sector. Uptrend, bullish, everything working here. Okay, so XLI got a lower high and a lower low, closing inside the bullish trap over a rising 17 EMA. Last sector, transports. All right, let me just look, because this is the one that kind of messes up sometimes. Yep, see? All right, so let's move this up. This is where they really left off. Right there. Go back to the daily candle. Okay, lower high, lower low, closing under the 17 EMA and under the bullish trap, IYT. All right, still bullish. That's a bull flag. All right, so IYT in a bull flag, still in an uptrend, still bullish. So, like, all of the sectors are still bullish. All of the indexes are still bullish, FNGU as well. All right, the only one that's not working right now is UNG. That's the only one that's in a downtrend. And it appears, I'm going to say appears, all right, just appears to have made a double bottom. So we'll see what happens with tomorrow, okay? So everything, markets didn't fall apart since Chairman Powell spoke on Friday. He's got another speech coming on Wednesday. No data really to change his mind or his outlook, so should be more of the same, more bullish, more uptrends. All right, so that's what it should be based on the lack of data to cause him to flip-flop. So everything's looking bullish till the end of the week. And I don't see anything on the horizon there that's going to change that outlook unless there's just a double top in the indexes and they go through some profit taking, pull back to the 50 simple period moving average. We'll see what happens, all right? So there we are, folks. I'll thank you for being here today. I'll see you all tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the mornings when I start. Everybody have a beautiful evening. Thank you for being here.